To set autoplay, default for removable drive as open folder to view files in Windows 11 Home. Right click on empty area on the desktop and then select personalize. Next, click or tap Bluetooth interfaces. Scroll down Bluetooth interfaces screen and then click or tap autoplay and then on removable drive, click or tap drop down menu and then select open folder to view files, file explorer. No, uh, removable autoplay removable drive set as open folder to view files. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.